Namaskar, welcome to Maitri Academy. Coming to the next chapter, chapter 7, that is about the vitamins. अब हम इसके short notes की series start करते हैं. The term vitamin was introduced by K. Funk. Vitamins mainly act as a cofactor for enzymatic activity. Water-soluble vitamins are vitamin B and vitamin C. The fat-soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E, and K. In the short, it is the ADEC. Vitamin A occurs only in animals. It is formed only in animals by the precursor produced by plants. The highest vitamin A is found in carrot. Vitamin B complex is obtained from yeast. Except for vitamin C, the water-soluble vitamins are all precursor of coenzyme. Also, vitamin K has a coenzyme function. The deficiency of which vitamin leads to night blindness, that is vitamin A, retinol. Vitamin B1 thiamine is present in rice polishing. Vitamin A is found maximum in carrot. Thiamine vitamin is known as hormone as it is transported in the body system like hormones. Deficiency of vitamin B1 leads to beriberi. Question asked in ICR JRF 1919 as you see. Deficiency of niacin, nicotinic acid leads to 3DS, diarrhea, dementia and dermatitis. Also nausea and pellagra. Pantothenic acid, vitamin B3 and B5 is in the form of coenzyme A and thus participates in carbohydrate and fat metabolism isolated from yeast. Pyridoxine was identified polygargine in yeast and liver cells. Biotin is vitamin H or coenzyme R isolated from yeast extract and nitrogen fixing bacteria. Folic acid is involved in nucleic acid metabolism and its deficiency leads to megaloblastic anemia. Vitamin B12 cyanocobalamin is a cobalt containing and its deficiency leads to pernicious anemia. Vitamin B12 is found in animals only. Yellow enzyme is also called vitamin B12 was discovered by Warburg in 1934 in yeast. Deficiency of vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid leads to scurvy and tooth decay. Scientific name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid, asked in ARS 2007. Vitamin C is found maximum in Barbados cherry followed by amla and guava. Vitamin C is a cofactor of pyrrolyl dehydroxylase. Deficiency of vitamin D, calciferol leads to rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults. Vitamin E, also known as tocopherol, is found in lettuce and wheat germ oil and participate in electron transport chain. Alpha tocopherol is the most common form. Deficiency of vitamin E leads to the sterility in men. The main primary function of vitamin E is to act as an oxidant in prevention of non-enzymatic oxidation of cell components by molecular oxygen and free radicals. The deficiency of which vitamin leads to sterility, that is vitamin E, tocopherol, ARS NET 2001 question. Vitamin K, blood coagulation factor, aids in prothrombin formation. The principal role of vitamin K is the post-translational modification of various blood clotting factors. It exists in several forms as in plants as phyloquinone K1, in intestinal bacteria flora as menaquinone K2 or farnequinone. Two types, K1 phyloquinone found in grape leafy tissue, example alfalfa produced by plant cells. K2 farnequinone found in fishes, also produced by intestinal bacteria of many higher animals. Vitamin K1 is produced by plant cells. Source of vitamin K1, phyloquinone, is green vegetable. The precursors for coenzyme is pantothenic acid. Metallovitamin is a B12. Hemoglobin is a ferrous containing protein. These all are asked in different exams, ICR, JRF, ARS NET. Now coming to the match the following. Niacin deficiency से होता है pellagra. Vitamin K is a prothrombin. Lipase is bile salt में present होता है. Vitamin B12 से pernicious anemia. Protein से marasmus disease. Vitamin B1 की कमी से beriberi. Vitamin C से scurvy. Vitamin D से rickets. Vitamin B12 से pernicious anemia. Folic acid की कमी से megaloblastic anemia. These all are the short notes of vitamins. So let's tune to my channel, like and subscribe. So मैं बहुत जल्दी ही चैप्टर 8 के शॉर्ट नोट्स और क्वेश्चन आंसर्स और भी सारे कुछ लेके आऊँगी. Thank you for being here.